Hey, it's Miss Alana working on math, being smart, awesome, and amazing, like somebody I know. That's you. Yes, we are working on today's math assignment. It is Thursday, December the 8th. Right here, we're right here, on the bottom, on the left. Let's begin by reading the standard. Read it with me. It says, number and operations in base 10. Perform operations with multi-digit whole numbers and with decimals to hundreds. MGSE 5, NBT 7. Add, subtract, multiply, and divide decimals to hundreds using concrete models or drawings and strategies based on place value, properties of operations, and or the relationship between addition and subtraction. Relate the strategy to a written method and explain the reasoning used. For this standard, we are going to solve the following word problem by adding, subtracting, multiplying, and or dividing. Oh, there's my hand. Draw a model, solve, and check your work. Don't forget to use the cubes clues and write the solution in a complete sentence. Are you ready to begin? Let's begin. All right, maybe I need to make this smaller. We need to make it smaller so everything can fit. All right, right there. All right, it says Miss Alana, that's me. Miss Alana is buying 3 pounds of zucchini. Actually, you know what? I bought some zucchini last week, over the weekend, and it was on sale. I was so excited. I bought like so much zucchini, and oh my gosh. Let me not start talking about food because I always get hungry when I talk about food, and I know you do too. Let's read it. Miss Alana is buying 3 pounds of zucchini. Each pound costs $1.07. How much change will she receive if she pays for it with a $10 bill? To solve that problem, let's use our cubes clues. The first step is the what? The C step. What do we need to do? Circle the numbers. Find the numbers for me. Circle them on your paper. We have 3. We have $1.07. And we have 10. Done with that. The next step is the U step. Underline the keywords. What keywords do we have? 3 pounds of zucchini. We can underline each pound cost. How much change? And you can do a $10 bill. All right, now if you found some other keywords, you can go ahead and underline those as well. The next step is the B step, to box the question. Where's the question? I'm going to highlight that. It says, how much change will she receive if she pays for it with a $10 bill? Done with that step. The next step is the E step, to eliminate unnecessary information. Is there anything here that is unnecessary that we don't need? Okay, maybe the fraction bars, but we're not looking at that side. Nothing. We need all that information, so we're done with that step. And the last step, to solve and check. And to do that, we need to do what? Draw a model, solve the problem, and check our work. And finally, write the solution in a complete sentence. So to model this, to draw a picture, I'm buying 3 pounds of zucchini. So we can just represent the pounds with circles. 1, 2, 3. And each pound is what? $1.07. So this is $1.07, $1.07, $1.07. How much change will I receive if I pay with a $10 bill? We can represent that by drawing a $10 bill. To solve that, what do we need to do first? Now remember, this is a 2-step problem. There are 2 things we need to do. The first thing is to figure out the total. What is the total of the 3 pounds? We can either add or multiply. And guess what? You can do both ways, and that way, that's how you check it. So, how do you want to solve this? Let's add it. We can add it, or if you want to multiply, you can. Let's do $1.07, $1.07. $1.07. Add that together. 7 plus 7 plus 7 is 7 and 7 is 14, plus 7 is 21. Write the 1 plus 2. 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 2. The decimal comes down. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. $3.21. Now we can check our work by doing the other kind of operation to solve for that, which is to multiply. So let's do that. $1.07 times 3. 3 times 7 is 21. Write the 1 plus 2. 3 times 0 is 0 plus 2 is 2. And then 3 times 1 is 3. Put the decimal right there and bam! Look, we checked that work. Yes, but guess what? You know we're not done. We need to do what now? We need to figure out the change. And how do we figure out the change? What operation do we do for that? We need to subtract. So to subtract, we need to write it down. Let me use a different color so you don't get confused. We need to subtract $10. Well, $3.21 from $10. Please don't forget to write all these operation symbols, okay? Those are very important. 0 minus 1, can't do it. We need to regroup. Borrow, no, borrow, borrow, borrow. Oh my gosh. Zeros are always broke. They never have anything. 1 becomes a 0. That 0 becomes a 10, which becomes a 9. That becomes a 10, which becomes a 9. And that 0 becomes a 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. That decimal comes down. 9 take away 3 is 6. Now to check that work, we do what? The opposite of subtracting, which is adding. We can add $3.21 plus $6.79. 1 plus 9 is 10. 0 plus 1. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 7 is 10. Or we could do 7 and 2 is 9 plus 1 is 10. Write the 0 plus 1. 1 and 3 makes 4 plus 6 is 10. Or 6 and 3 makes 9 plus 1 more is 10. Either way, that decimal comes down. 10 and bam, $10, $10. So we know that we did that right. We drew our model. We solved for our answer. We checked our answer. And now it's time to... No, it's not time to party yet. It's time to write the solution. Then we party. Okay, not if you're not done. All right, let's finish our work first. The solution is what? How much change will she receive if she pays for it with a $10 bill? I have to write tiny so it fits. Miss Lalana will receive how much? Not that, that's the total, $6.79. In change if she buys 3 pounds of zucchini and pays for it with a $10 bill. Period. All right, so Miss Alana will receive $6.79 in change if she buys 3 pounds of zucchini and pays for it with a $10 bill. Bam. Make sure you have all parts of this. Oh, hold on. We need to check off that we did the last part. Make sure you follow your cubes clues. Do that. Check it off. Solve, well, model, solve, check, and write the solution for that. We are done with this one. If you need help with anything else, go find the other videos. Until then, remember, keep working hard. Keep working hard. Do your best always. Love you.